The Shruti Vedas, the four Vedas. The four Vedas, collectively known as the Chaturveda, contains mantras to be chanted by different priests of yajna or sacrifice. A. Rig Veda. Mantras are recited by the Hotar. B. Yajurveda. Mantras are recited by the Atharvayor or officiating priests. C. Samaveda. Mantras are sung by the Udgatir. D. Atharva Veda is a collection of charms and incarnations for curing diseases, driving away hostile forces, praying for long life, a good wife or a husband, attaining royalty, secure harmony, increase in house, cattle, money, and many such material desires. The Rig, Sam, and Yajurvedas agree in form and content. 2. Structure of each Veda. Each Veda comprises four parts. Samhitas, collection of mantras or hymns to be studied by the brahmachari students. B. Brahmanas, collection of rituals for sacrifice and the religious duties for grahastha and household. Arnyakaras, collection of symbols and objects of meditation for the vanaprasthas or atheists living in the forest. D. Upanishads, discussion of philosophical issues for the sannyasis in the renounced order. There are 108 major Upanishads. 3. The other Vedic literature, sutras, book of concise philosophical statement, Vedanta, auxiliary science connected with Vedic study, Upavedas, science not directly related to Vedic study. D. Books for books of self-realized acharyas, teachers in the disciplic succession. We will discuss these briefly. The 6 sutras. Sautra Sutra, instructions relating to the use of the Vedic hymns in the rituals. Graha Sutra, domestic sutra prescribing Vedic rituals and rites like the marriage ceremony. Kalpa Sutra, large numbers of systematic methods for several classes of priests in the sacrifice. Dharma Sutra, customs and social duties for community life and chief source for law books. Sulabha Sutra. This contains the layout of offering ground and the geometry for the altar of the Vedic sacrifice. Vedanta Sutra. These are the most important sutras or the philosophical quotes. B. The Siksha pronunciation. 2. Chanda, poetic meter. Vyakarana, grammar. Niruka, etymology, lexicology. Jyotisha, astronomy. Kalpa, ritual. The first two teach how to read or recite the Vedas. The third and the fourth help to understand the meaning of the Veda. The fifth and the sixth instruct us on using the Vedas. See, the four Upavedas are Ayurveda, holistic medicine, Gandharva Veda, music and dance, Dhanurveda, warfare, Saptatya Veda, architecture. D. Literature in pursuance to the Vedic version are considered as important as the Vedas. These include books such as the Hari Bhakti Suhodaya, Harivamsa, Brahma Yamala, and the commentaries, purports of the great sages in the disciplic succession. Chaitanya Charitamrita by Krishnadas Kaviraj and the other books written by the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, Lord Chaitanya's chief disciples, also qualify to the Vedic Paritram.